हिस्सा बने हैं और ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, उस किरदार का हिस्सा हैं आप। तो हम लोग महसूस नहीं कर सकते, क्या आप लोग कुछ फ़ील करते हैं उनकी कुर्बानी, उनकी लड़ाई ऑन स्क्रीन प्ले करते वक़्त कुछ ऐसा? तीनों बारी-बारी से आंसर।
कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जब आप बहुत कुछ महसूस करते हैं। मुझे याद है कि एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर जो मैंने प्ले किया था, जो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा महसूस किया था, उनका नाम था भगत सिंह। क्योंकि उनकी जब हम कहानियाँ सुनते थे कि वो जो फ़िल्म में था वो तो ठीक है, जो असली ज़िंदगी में भी वो क्या थे, उनके आई थिंक 90 से ऊपर की उम्र के भाई हमारे सेट पे आया करते थे, और वो जब कहानियाँ सुनाते थे तो आपका पूरा थॉट प्रोसेस आपकी आपकी ऐसे लगता है कि अगर अगर 6 महीने और शूटिंग चलती तो आप एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग बदल जाते। मतलब कि इतना फ़र्क पड़ता है कई बार।
Hello. Hello, Rajmouli garu.
एक सेकंड सर, I'll come to you.
Um, well, I haven't. I have done a film called Razi where I played character of an unsung hero, and I think I completely agree with Ajay sir that अगर आप 6 महीने और या 3 महीने और 1 महीने और you live that character, you really feel because हम imagine नहीं कर सकते हैं what they have to do, what they go through, and how they put their lives at stake, for the country and for their people. हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. So living through the beats of the character and the psychology and what they go through is just a small part of it. उन्होंने वो actually गुजरे उससे. So of course the I would not say the awe and the appreciation and that the unimaginable gratitude that we feel, ये सिर्फ शब्द है जो actually गुजरते, especially the families, that understand them and support them. It's another world altogether. So I think जैसे I said, हम जितना भी कहे वो कम होगा.
I didn't get your name. राहुल. ब्रदर, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि पैदाशी से जब we've heard their stories. हम उनकी कहानियां सुन के बड़े हुए हैं. तो जब ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स करने के लिए when you have an opportunity, हम बस मेमोरी लेन में चले जाते हैं और बस you start remembering those stories. And somewhere you feel that you really don't need to work hard for it. क्योंकि तुम्हारी जिंदगी के ऑलरेडी वो हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. So you're playing yourself there. You're not playing some character. So these are the freedom fighters, these are the great people who've become a part of your life already. So you're playing yourself.
Alia?
So there wasn't a special effort for this. And of course, when you have a director like Rajmouli, who is ready to guide you, it becomes very easy. I'm trying here. If there's... No, but if there are any mistakes, please, I'm ready to accept it, but thank you.
Alia, hi, this is Vinamru from Midday. So my question to you is that when you were finalized to play the character of Sita, as an actor, what were your emotions like on the first day of the shoot and the last day of the shoot?
Emotions? I was very excited, but I was also very nervous because it's an unknown language. I mean, I know the language, I've studied, and I've gone through my part, I've rattoed it, I'm sitting every day with my coach, and I'm going through it. But at the end of the day, I think maybe in Hindi or English, I don't think in Telugu, but I was very nervous because I wanted to portray the line, give the right pauses, give the right... But once I went on set, I realized that Sir had done everything for me. It was literally, I would not say, he made it so much easier on because he's so clear exactly what he wants, every line, every shot, every emotion. And then I was just observing. Then I was like, literally like an audience and, watching him. He would also perform it in front of the camera and he would do this, and then I would try and imitate him and do the same thing. So the emotions were excitement to get it right. And of course, once it was done, I was quite sad when I experienced with Sir's over, but hopefully I'll have another one.